What's up, guys? Today we're about to do another video. It's on my neighborhood. I have this car right here, and I don't know where to place this one. But the best idea, guys, can you see it? I don't think so. I'm just gonna hold it like this. I'm gonna drive it. Let's see how far this drives. This car. Okay. Yeah? What? Okay. I'm going to the playground and drive it. Let's do it, guys. Oh, my fellows. That's it. Okay. Right here. Yeah. Okay, so we'll see it. Got out the video. Let's do it. My finger hurt. On my balls. All in my bells. So what I'm gonna do, you can see, I'm gonna place it right over here. Right over here. I'm gonna use my thing. Let's do it. Got my car right here. Let's do it. Okay. Got the car. We got on the slide. I'm going back up. 3, 2, 1. Let's do it. Woo! That's crazy. I'm going to go down the slide. That was cool, though. Let's see if this can drive. I didn't know it could drive. Hello, guys. My car is stuck again. We're gonna do it again. Let's do it. Okay. Shut up. How to practice? 3, 2, 1. Bro, that's crazy. Let's do it. Crazy, right? And look what it can do. And this has a cool car feature. Has a little bit, like, it looks like motorcycles. That's cool. Has a dead school That's a really cool one. It has the shield right here to protect the car. However, but then like that, then it's not gonna do that. We're gonna find another place where I can drive my car, and that good is the perfect idea. I'm gonna, because we have another slide here, so I'm gonna put it right over here. Let's see if you can see me. So, can you see me, guys? Okay, I think you can see the part though. Okay? Oh! Okay, let's do it. Okay, I'm gonna make it all the way down there. Right over here. I'm gonna be right over here. 3, 2, 1. No. Dang it, hold on 1 sec. I'm gonna do it again. Ooh. Ow, that hurt. Come on, dude. It won't work. I'm just gonna place it right over here. Dude! Ooh, bro, that's crazy. Hold up. Yeah, baby. Let's do it again. I'm going full mode, bro. I'm going full mode. Like, I'm literally going full mode. Bro, that was crazy. Bye, guys. See you later, and make sure to like and subscribe.